alhamdulillah, tapos na akong maglaba. Ayan. Dami kong nilabhan. Ayun. Maganda ang weather ngayon kasi, ayan oh, may sikat ng araw. Pero mahangin-hangin, pero okay lang. Ayan yung sikat ng araw. Today is Friday and the time now here in Pakistan is 2 p.m. and today is Friday. Juma Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. And today is first Friday of Ramadan. Ayan, kahit fasting ako, okay lang. Still I have energy to work. Never thirsty, never hungry. Alhamdulillah. Ayan. Parang normal lang ang aking pag-fasting sa ordinary days. Non-fasting o kaya fasting. Kaya alhamdulillah nakalaban na ako. Pero hindi ko pa natapos lahat yung aking nilabhan. Bukas uli itutuloy ko yung second batch. Ayan, ito yung aking susunod na lalabhan. Ayan. Ayan ito. Kay Fahad na ito na damit. Ayan kami shalwar na wool. Tapos coat, shirt. Ayan oh. So bukas ko na ito kasi magnanamas na ako ng ng suhar. Friday ngayon eh. So 2 p.m. na. Malate na akong magnamas prayer or namas. So alhamdulillah tapos na akong maglaba. After 1 week ako ulit maglaba or after few days. Kasi kung hindi ako maglalaba, matatambakan ako ng labahin. So mahirap pag maraming lalabhan. Ayan marami pa rin kasi ilang araw hindi ako naglaba, siguro 1 week. Ayan. Pero at least alhamdulillah nakalaba na ako. Ayan mga scarf, talukbong, mga kamishalwar na wool, tapos mga high neck, shirt, sweater, bedsheet, pajama, trouser, lahat-lahat kaming 5. So alhamdulillah. Ayun maganda maganda ang panahon oh. Pero yung doon banda, ayun oh, nakikita nyo yung puti diyan. Yan, snow yan noong 1 week yata na na nag-hailstorm. So doon banda, yon nag-snow doon, pero dito sa aming lugar ay lang rain at saka hailstorm. Ayan, super ganda yung sky blue with the white. Alhamdulillah. Ayan. And pala, today is 4th day of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah, ang bilis ng araw. Kailan lang yung nag-start ng Ramadan. Na 4 days na. So, alhamdulillah. So, after ng aking namas, mag-prepare na naman ng lulutuin for iftari at saka dinner. O, ayan. Ito ang aking lulutuin ngayon, munggo beans. Bali, binoil ko muna ito dito sa sa pugon o kaya ang giti. So maya-maya pagkatapos kong magnamas ay maggagawa ako ng masala, yung maggisa ako ng bawang, sibuyas, kamatis, tapos lagyan ng mga masala, yung mga powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, at saka yung mga lentils na seeds, yung turmeric, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds. Ayan. So ito yung aming pang dinner after ng iftari. Let's start saute now. Onions. And then this is G1 garlics, and this is ginger. So we will put now this one because onion is already almost brown. And this is munggo beans. I boiled morning time while I'm washing clothes. So this is already boiled. Now I'm making masala here. onions and garlics already brown. So now we can put now these tomatoes. And then we can put now this salt, turmeric powder. This is dried seeds, lentils, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and fenugreek seeds. And this is green chili. Chili powder. I don't have green chili, so I put 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We have to wait this one, tomatoes become paste, then we will put now this boiled mungo beans. Already cooked our bayan for dinner after iftari. This is mungo beans curry and the 4th day of Ramadan fasting. Alhamdulillah. There is also extra chicken plow yesterday, so no need to cook rice. There is 2 pieces of chicken. And I cook also these potatoes. It's like chips. Then I put dried fenugreek leaves. Ayan. This is basin, or it's like chickpeas powder. This powder we are using for mixing pakora. So I have to put 7 tablespoons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have to put chili powder, 2 teaspoons. And then salt, 2 teaspoons. Or 1.5 teaspoon, because I think there is too much salt if we put 2 teaspoons. Now we have to mix now. Put water here. We have to mix well. And then we will put these slices of potatoes. Now I will put now these slices of potatoes. Mix natin masyado. After cooking mungo beans curry, next this pakora, and then next again I have to make chapati or roti. Pakora is ready, and this is fruit chat also ready, and someone gave this to our neighbor. This is curry with pakora, and this kind of food made of juice of yogurt, and then they cook for a long time. Ito, ready na din ang chapati, roti, o kaya kubos. Ilan itong ginawa ko? 10 yata, kasi may rice din yung ginawa ko kahapon. Niloto ko kahapon na chicken plow. Ito yung sharbot o kaya juice and dates.